morning, and because I'm aware this coming week is going to be a week where there's be testings and trials and temptations, I wanted to get you prepared for a week that requires a closer walk with God, a more determined, intimate, press-in moments with God that allows us to get really where God wants us to be, in the will and purposes of God. Yes, that's where I want us to be. And so I'm reading from the book of Matthew. It says in chapter 6, verse 6, "But you, when you pray, enter into your closet, and when you have shut the door, pray to the Father which is in secret, and your Father which seeth in secret shall reward thee openly." And the admonition from this verse is that prayer is intimate and prayer is private. And so the things you are able to say to someone in private, it becomes absolutely much more difficult to say that in public or among others. So God is calling us to more intimacy. And he says here, what? Don't go out in public and think, oh, now that I'm out there, public prayer is to deal with public issues in a very open way. But he says, don't go outside there. Get a private place where you can be real with God, open with God, and you can begin to discuss with him the real issues that are beginning to protrude into your space, beginning to violate your space and tempt and push and press and seek to get you off of the path or will of God. Yeah, you understand. Yes, and I say yes again. God is in the business of glorifying himself through us. So yes, do it in private. Get intimate. Speak as though you are with someone who loves you deeply, who cares for you in such a deep way, and speak to him about the current events in your life. I promise you God hears, and I assure you God answers. God bless.